So I had a little issue. I thought I was streaming when I really wasn't, and also recording, and I wasn't. So basically, we went through a season, and we didn't win it. So now we're just signing people. So I'm just gonna jump right into this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. All right. Let's go with Jarebko. Who's the higher overall? Oh, what did I just do? All right. All right. Let's just go. Let's go to the contract extension deadline. Where is it? I missed it, didn't I? Wait, where the heck is it? Alright, I don't know. We're just gonna go to the trade deadline then. This is ridiculous. Yeah, who are the captains? Oh, Giannis and Steph. Alright. Auto draft. Are we in it? Why? Why are we... We're like never in it anymore. We're never in it. Ever. Right. No. Why would we do that? Oh, he is at 85. And let's negotiate this. How old is Tobias? Let's add someone. Jeez, we are trash. Okay, we gotta win. Giannis got MVP this time. Bobo, 6-man. Anthony Davis with defensive player. Marvin Bagley with most improved. Mike Malone, coach of the year. Wait a minute. Oh, alright, my bad. Alright. Are we even in? No, we're not. Alright. Simulate playoffs. Is Boston gonna go for 2 in a row? Or is Denver good? Ooh, Denver won it. Oh, Jokic. Alright, who's retiring? Marcus Aldridge, Marvin Williams, JJ Redick, Rajon Rondo, DJ Austin. No, JaVale McGee, why? Alright, nobody else too big. Patty Mills and then Linsanity. Draft lottery. What are we supposed to get? 8? Alright, let's just skip it. Yep. Magic. Oh, we got 4. Let's go. We get another one up in here? Aw, oh, damn it. Alright. Hey, I'm happy. Drop the plate. Yeah. Right? Alright, let's get someone good. What was the guy we were supposed to get? This guy. Yeah. What are you? What's your overall? Oh, actually, you're 78. Let's go with you. For free agency. Zion and Harden. Alright. Figured that he would not be a... Figured that would be a problem, too. We're going to go down the list until we can get someone kind of good. Alright, let's get it. Let's get this season. We're going to do it. We have to, or else I'm literally just going to... Alright, well, you just sign people. What's the roster looking like? Who else do we got? Gotta be honest, I don't know if we're going to do it, boys. We're going to sim to the end of the season, because maybe we get one more season in. Alright, just simming it. I'm doing this so we can get one more in. If we, yeah, this is the second to last one, because I'm going to quit if we don't get it after this. I'm actually going to quit if we don't get it after this season. That doesn't happen, clearly. Are we in the playoffs? That's possible, right? Oh, Luka got it. Don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care. Nobody freaking cares because we did not make playoffs. How did I simulate round? We gotta simulate the whole playoff. Simulate playoffs. Philly? Are you gonna take it, Philly? No, of course you... Oh. Hey, you finally beat Toronto. Philly forever. Ben Simmons. Nice. That's just nice. Alright, let's do this quick. Oh, LeBron's gone. He's a lot of big boys. A lot of good guys are gone. Alright, let's just go. Come on. Hall of Fame. Yep, LeBron. Jersey retirements. LeBron on all three of his teams. Yep. We're gonna skip it. We don't care. Get the 11th pick. Of course. Here. We're just gonna do this. We're gonna sim to my pick. We're gonna get this dude. Better. Advance to next season, and we're just gonna sim the whole. We're not gonna win it. We didn't even make playoffs this whole time. This is horrible, 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 it's horrible. Oh, hopefully. Decline it with what we got. It's clear good. I've got a plan. Wait a second. I've got a good plan. What if alright. Because I'm not going to play any more seasons, and it doesn't matter. What if I propose a trade? I put a player on there to make it fair. We put Duncan. And we just load it up with, like, first pick. Yeah, like, we put we just do it with first picks. gonna do. Just give him a bunch of good picks. Then we give him like second round pick. I don't even know. And then we just get like a 90 or something. What if we did it for like? If we did it for Jaw. Kevin? Donnie Sykes. RJ. I'm literally giving you crazy picks for one dude. Just one dude. And then you could probably have him back after this. I just want it for this season, you know. What if we did it for Lonzo? Dude, why? It's Lonzo. Clay. Dude. What? Give me Buddy Hield, alright. God, Bobo. Why is this so hard? Just give me Kobe White. Thank you. That's just. Alright, now maybe we can do a little better. Let's do this. Yeah, now we're just gonna get smoked because that makes sense. Can we at least make the playoffs? This is like so boring. Yeah, we're trash. Alright, we're so bad. I'm just gonna end it, guys. I really don't feel like, yeah. Alright, we're ending it. If we lose this, yep, we're ending it. Alright. So that's gonna be it for this video. Actually, you know what? How about I show you my team for a little bit of content? I'll tell you. Are they good packs? No, they're not good packs. Takeover. Ooh. Ooh. What's the takeover? Oh God. Oh. 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 Let's see what are the takeover though. Alright, let me just check how much, because I can't see it because my stream bar is right there, but let me just check how much MT I have. 22 VC. $20 for that. Let me just make sure that you're not going to be able to see my... Alright, we're just going to... Alright, I'm just going to get this, and this will be my content opening the packs. Buy it. Hey, we got it. Let's go. Okay, let's get some. Let's get some packs now, eh? We're gonna get some of the takeover. What's in the buzzer beater? Nothing good. Like, I really don't. I have no interest in that. All right, let's get ourselves the deluxe packs. All right, 15. Ooh, let's see what it is. Amethyst. Is it the Allen Iverson? I'll probably just auction it anyways. Wait, yeah, he was on the Nuggets. I'm stupid. It was Allen Iverson. All right. Nice. Sell it. Another amethyst. Same one. I'm just gonna be selling some. Yeah, it's the same card. Something tells me that card is gonna be very common. Yeah, send to my auctions. Let's go. Another one. Great. Just great. If it's the same card, I'm gonna be kind of mad. Yeah, it's the same card. Of course, I pull 3 in a row. Because why not? Nobody wants you. If I pull one more, I'm gonna be mad. Gonna be mad if I pull another one. Just give me like a diamond or something so it's at least worth the $20. Yay! Alright, now it's at least worth it. Let's see what we get. Is it like Harden? Robert Reed. Alright. Alrighty. Probably won't even play him. Probably have to. Alright, let's see a pink diamond this one. Alright, let's see a pink diamond here. We don't even need an opal. We just need Alright, a diamond again. If I get that same card again, I'm going to be kind of mad. Because that would be pretty repetitive. Yep, there it is. Same card. Great. Oh, God. This is just... Probably just going to sell all these cards anyways. Alright, we're just going to use our last of our MT here. It's a diamond. Please be a different diamond. Like, please be a different diamond. Nope. Oh, it is. Alright. Who we got? Larry Hughes. By the way, this is all my players, so I got a pretty decent team. Yep. So you're... Let me just see if any of these... Actually, we'll do that on a different day. Because we're gonna get pretty long. Alright, this is my team here. We're just gonna see if any of them should make it, if any of those diamonds that I got should make it. So I put in like AI, for example, and whoever's alright. This guy makes it, right? Like, for example, if I go here and I swap out AI and I swap out this guy with Bogut, right? Or not even him. Not wrong guy. I'm just gonna swap them all out with like lower players. And I just go with whatever they say is better because my judgment's clearly not good based on that rebuild. Just gonna go with. Alright, ready? They say the best is this guy. Then it's Bogut. Then it's Michael Ray Richardson. Then it's Luka. It's Curry. It's JoJo. That's Larry Hughes. And then and that's the squad. Alright. Well, it's going to be the outro here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. The Minecraft video should be up tomorrow if you're watching this right when it got released. The Minecraft video part 4 should be up tomorrow. Make sure you watch the other one so you're all caught up on what happened. I actually haven't even filmed that video yet, so I got to get on that later. But at first, I got to do some homework. So, I'm trying to juggle a lot of stuff by editing, filming, and homework right now, so just the least you could do is just like and subscribe. I'm also in a subscriber race with Young Savage, like 6 ahead of him, so we got to get a bigger lead. All right.